Hi, it's Dan from RV Mega in Tauranga. Today we're going to have a look at the Truma Control. This is an Adria vehicle, but it's used on many different brands. To start using it, we're going to press the button and all of these symbols will appear. As I move this control knob, we can scroll through these different symbols. The three we're going to focus on today are the first three. The third one is where we select the power source. This one is set to gas. We can dial in either mix 1, mix 2, electric 1, electric 2. Electric 2 is 2 kilowatts of electric, ideal if you're on mains. Electric 1 is 1 kilowatt of electric, ideal when you're on a generator or something like that. Mix 2 and mix 1 require both gas and electric. Between you and me, can't really see the point. Gas is our option today because that's what we have available to us. I'm going to select gas. That will now stay set to gas until such time in the future as you change it to electric or what have you. The other two symbols are the hot water symbol and the heating symbol. The hot water symbol is now flashing. If I press OK, we can choose between off, 60 degrees and boost. 60 degrees is our hot water, ideal for washing and doing the dishes. Boost would be more hot water. If you're going to have a shower and then your partner's going to jump in the shower straight after you, it makes more hot water quicker, but it's heavier on gas, so we avoid it unless that's what we're doing. So we're going to choose 60 degrees, press OK. Now we've commanded it. If we look above the line, that tells us what's happening. We've got hot water and we're making it with gas. In 15 minutes time, you'll have nice hot water. To turn it off, we go back to the lower range of symbols, press OK, turn that back down to off, press OK again, nothing above the line, nothing on. Your heating works in exactly the same way by pressing it and selecting the temperature at which you'd like the inside of the van to be, and that will monitor and keep it at 22 degrees. And you can see by the symbols, when the heat is on and we're doing it with gas. Remember to turn it off when not using it or before you move on. Turning it all the way back down to off and pressing OK. There is one more feature that you can use if you like. The heater uses the fan to disperse the air around when it's on heat, but during the summer months you can actually use the fan yourself without the heater to circulate air at various speeds around the van. How to set the clock on a Truma controller. Press the main button, scroll around to the clock setting with the clock on it. Once in there, you can adjust your hours and your minutes. And that's the Truma Control.